Hello friends, welcome to Ria's Kitchen, and first of all a very happy new year to all of you. And I will start the first recipe of new year in my channel, starting with a Bengali dish, a very popular, you can say it a daily need of Bengalis, that is Alu Posto, or potatoes cooked with poppy seeds. It's very easy and quick recipe, and we Bengalis just love it. So do try it, and let's proceed right away. So for preparation of Alu Posto or poppy seeds with potatoes, we have taken 3 medium-sized potatoes cut into small pieces like this, and I've washed it. And here I've taken 3 to 4 tablespoons of poppy seeds pasted, and here I've taken 1 dried red chilli and some black cumin seeds. Here I've taken 1 medium-sized onion sliced. Here I've taken 3 green chilli slitted like this, and here I've taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some red chilli powder, salt, and around 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. And here I've taken 1 cup of water. So let's proceed right away. Okay, so here I've heated a pan or kadhai, and now first we will fry the potatoes with mustard oil. So let me heat the oil, and then we will fry the potatoes. Okay, so our oil is quite hot now, and now we will add the potatoes. And then we will fry it till they are golden. So our potatoes are now nicely fried, and now I will take it off in the bowl, and then we will fry the onions, or rather I can say we will proceed further. In the same pan, now the oil I have not changed also, so it is hot, and now I am going to add the this red chili, dry red chili, and the black cumin seeds. And after sauteing for a minute, we will add the onion. Okay, now it's time to add the onions, and now we will fry until the onions are soft and golden brown. So the onions are now soft, and we will add the fried potatoes. Just mix it. Cook this recipe in a medium to low flame. Okay, so after mixing this, we will add salt according to your taste. So I've added salt. Mix it well, and then add around half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a little bit of red chili powder, and the slitted green chilies. Okay, so mix everything well and cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then we will add the poppy seeds, poppy paste. So after a minute, we will now add the poppy seeds here. And mix the poppy seed paste, and mix the paste with all the other ingredients and potatoes, and cook for around 2 minutes, and then we will add the water. Okay, so after 1 to 2 minutes, we will add the water. And you see where I had pasted the poppy seeds here in the mixer grinder jar, I've added some water and to take all the other, some portions of this paste remain in the jar, so I've taken that also, and I'm adding that. Okay, so keep the flame high now and mix everything well again, and now we will allow it to get cooked for a couple of minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes the water has got almost dried up. At this time we will turn off the flame and allow 2 minutes of standing time if you want, so and our dish would be completely prepared. So everyone, our dish is prepared. The delicious yummy aloo posto or poppy seed paste mixed with potato, and you saw it was really very quick and easy to prepare, and so do try it in your home. Serve hot with rice, it will taste just wow. So if you like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, share it with your friends and family, and if you want to give any feedback or suggestion, do write it in the comment section below. Until my next recipe, bye.